What's going on with y'all boys, bro? NQ win for y'all today. 1 to 1.161 ratio trade. If you look at Forex Factory, we have no news for the day. So let's get into it. Honestly, straight off of bias, I was bearish for the day. This wasn't due to this fact. On ES, I was biased for my bias was bearish for the day, because you can see we swept out the Asia high and we got a bearish reaction off of it. So I was really just looking to take out the London low and take out the Asia low. So that was my thought process when market opened as well today. So market opened and we came lower, and then we ended up taking out the Asia high and the London high and getting no reaction off of it. And when we filled in this fair value gap and got this big reaction out of it, I knew that we were still looking to take some form of liquidity out, which the only thing that made sense to me past this is the 4-hour high right here, because these all-time highs are way too high for us to be gunning for. But the 4-hour high is perfect, and as you could see, I entered I think maybe right here. I think it was this. But I was so price came in, filled in this 1 minute bullish value gap, invalidated this 1 minute bearish value gap. This is where I entered. Came down a little bit lower to tap into this 1 minute bullish value gap, and then we ended up running all the way up. It was simple setup, simple trade, just nothing too special about it. But I do want to see this London low and this Asia low get taken out, and I think that maybe we'll come here and validate this 5 minute bullish for value gap right here. Maybe something like this would be ideal for a longer trade. Oh, never mind, it's showing up ideal. Or maybe there'll be a high somewhere here. Something like that is the most ideal trade. ES, honestly, I just wasn't looking to take a trade on ES. And another thing is, you could see from this swing high to this swing low, we went from a higher high to a higher low, where on NQ we went from a lower high to a higher high. Meaning, actually that doesn't mean anything, because that was when I was in my bearish bias. But it sort of just shows. Well, that showed that ES was the lagging index, so that was not my point right there. But I wasn't liking ES bullishly because we swept out the Asia high and we got a reaction off of it. But I do think there might be some room that there low-key might be some entries here. Just stay on for a little bit and see what I could do. Because honestly, this 5 minute low, this is not enough liquidity for anything to happen. I really just placed it to see if we got a sweep right here and got a reaction off if I would take a trade right there. But I do think that the Asia low is going to be my final take profit. Okay, so we're getting a high right here. And then right here, we have a 5 minute bearish for value gap. I want to see if we have anything on the 15 minute. Oh my god, jeez. Okay, so screw this, right? We have this 15 minute bearish for value gap right here, and then we got this huge one, right? And this is what we've tapped into right now. So as you can see, 15 minute bearish for value gap. Alright. And maybe nah, because that's another problem. Because let's say suppose I take the trade right here and price comes into this 15 minute bearish value gap and then we get a reaction off of it. That's not ideal. Or if I took it all the way down here, then it would have to be a shorter time frame trade, which is more of what I'm gunning for. And because I don't know if ES took out its 4 hour. Yeah, it didn't even take out its 4 hour high. So ES might be what's it called? Looking to take something out, or maybe even this 1 hour high. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. So it could really just be waiting for ES to get its liquidity in by sweeping out the 1 hour high, and then both of them simultaneously crash. No. Jeez. This chart is looking. It's not how I like my charts, boy. AOP 50, that bit real tough. She wants to Ricky, I bought her some Uggs. Show her how I put it down in the club. How about I turn that boy up? Costco's a dividend stock? Holy shit, what does it pay? Oh, that's so shit. Cause bro, you're getting basically 0.53%. Or not even that, cause okay, it's in 982, right? Divided by 130. So you like, oh my god. Nah, I'm tripping. You're getting like this much percent per share every quarter. That's not worth it to me. I do think that we still need to get some sort of liquidity on ES. Hmm. Have y'all seen this IPO? Yeah, so it's coming out next Wednesday. And planning to raise a little over 6 million. Financial seem mixed. They were profitable last year, but quarter one shows a fairly sharp loss. Mm. I do think that we're trying to get a little bit more liquidity here. And that's about it. I don't know, bro. I don't Cause I mean, bro, like I think around like 9:30 to 10 usually. ES just starts like it gets its moves in for the day and then just starts moving side by side. So there's not really like anything. But how long is this video? 10 minutes, not bad. I mean, I see liquidity being taken out, but we'll see. Bro. I don't know. Cause also I could so our volume's not the best right now, obviously. Like the most volume is gonna be around market open, and then sometimes we have like good amounts of volume. Like right here, we were seeing good amounts of volume, but right now, like market's completely slowed down. When you see blue, it's like terrible. Yellow is awful. Orange is alright, and red is the best, right? That's the way it goes. Blue means the coldest, so the least amount of volume. Yeah. But then it's hard to tell. Like, okay, if you don't really look at the charts, then you won't really know an up candle versus a down candle. But you could tell, like, if you've been looking at them, like, I'm pretty sure this is an up candle, this is a down candle, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, something like that. But I don't know. Punch in the face. She trapping just like me. Walking with bags on me. Yeah. So I'd say if I don't see a reaction here, I'm getting out the charts just cause like Bro, it's supposed to be like a 3-minute video. It's already been 15 minutes. And I also gotta make a TikTok really good. But as you could see, boom. So we also got, okay, beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So you could see NQ is the lagging index since we are, or I'm in a bearish mindset, bearish bias right now. So which means that since we formed a lower high to a higher high, NQ is still in an uptrend while ES is in a downtrend, meaning good things for us. But if we don't get like a good reaction off of this, bro, I'm getting out the charts. Like I just can't. I can't do it. Bro. Bro. Oh, shit. I'd say, all right. It's basically 9:30. If I don't see like a good reaction in 2 minutes, I'm off the charts, bro. I don't care. Made my money for the day. I'm going home, bro. Trying to chill. I'm not seeing the best reaction. I don't know. Okay, I'd say, okay, it's 9:30. By 9:33, if we don't invalidate this for value gap right here. Actually, nah, bro, it's not even worth it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna hop out the charts, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on Monday. No news Monday. Tuesday, we got CPI, so I'm not gonna be trading. Wednesday, we don't got anything. Thursday, we got PPI. And Friday, nothing really. But I appreciate y'all boys. Y'all have a good one.